Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to start the remaining problem of your exercise first A, which is based on a perimeter and area. This exercise is totally based on a perimeter. In that I have solved the first question, and second and third I have given that homework. So in that second is very easy. Okay, find that the perimeter of a square. So you know that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. I think you have calculated this one. Now see this question number third, first part. Exercise first A. Perimeter and area. In that, the question number third, first part. In that, a rectangular field is 30 meter long and 25 meter broad. What is the length of the wall? What is the length of the wall which will enclose it? Means that one rectangular wall is given that. Means one rectangular field is given that. In that, this is a 30 meter long and 25 meter broad. Okay, so it asks that what is the length of the boundary of this, the wall of this rectangular field, total length. Okay, so perimeter is the total length of the boundary is known as a perimeter. So for this question, given that for rectangular fields, length is equal to given that 30 meter and breadth is given that 25 meter. So total length means that the perimeter of a wall. Okay. What is the length of the wall which will enclose it? Means this field is enclosed by this wall. Okay. So what is the length of this one? So the perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to 2 multiplied by, in bracket, length plus breadth. This is the formula. This is 2 in bracket, length is 30 meter and breadth is equal to 25. Okay, so to add this one, first you add this one, you will get this 5 and 2 3 5. 55 is multiplied by 2, you will get 110, and that is meter. That unit you will always write that unit. You will get this 110 meter is the perimeter of a square foot. Hence, if you want you can write it here. Hence, the length of the wall. The length of the wall is equal to perimeter of a field, and that is 110 meter. So this is the total length of a wall is equal to the perimeter of a rectangular field, and it is a 110 meters. So whatever it is given, first you write that one, and then according to you will find that the solution of your question is. Now the second part, find the length of the boundary of a wall of a rectangular garden which is 168 meter long and 132 meter broad. Second one is the same as it is, only the dimensions are changed. In length it is given that 168 meter and breadth it is given that 132 meters. So question number third, again I will give you this one. Second, you will try it yourself, students. Now question number 4. Okay, so I am going to discuss this question number 4, students. Find the length of a rectangular field if its perimeter is 240 meter and breadth is given. So I told you that formula, when your breadth and perimeter is given, then how you will find that the length. So you know that length is equal to perimeter by 2 minus breadth. This formula you will use it when perimeter and breadth is given. Then how you will find that the length of a rectangular field perimeter by 2 minus breadth. And suppose if breadth is given that length is given that, how you will find the breadth? Perimeter by 2 minus length. So both that formula you always remember that distance. Now see this question number 4, first part. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. See this question number 4, first part. In that, given that, okay, in this one, given that length of a rectangular field, it is asking that length of a rectangular field, perimeter is given that for rectangular field, perimeter is equal to 240, okay, and that is in meter, and breadth is equal to 52 meter. Breadth is equal to 52 meters. So this thing is given there and asking to find this length. You will find that the length is. So very easy. You can use the direct formula to find it. Okay. So the length of a rectangular field is equal to length of a rectangular field is equal to perimeter. P is represented perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Perimeter by 2 minus breadth. So you know that perimeter is given that 240 by 2 and minus breadth is given that 52. Okay, this is the perimeter and this one is the breadth. Okay. So first you divide this one 120 minus 52. If you cancel out, you will get 120. And from 120, if you subtract this 52, what you will get is 8. From 11 minus 5, you will get this 68 meter. So the length of a particular field is 68 meter. So field is 68 meter long. Okay, whose perimeter is 240 meters. Same as it is, you can try this second part and see this third part. Second one is what is the breadth of a rectangle if the perimeter is 100 meter and length is equal to 35 meters. So see this one, think for this. Okay, second part. Okay, breadth. So perimeter by 2 minus length. Perimeter is 100 by 2 minus length is given that 35. So if you divide this, you will get 50 minus 35, you will get this 15 meter. Okay, 15 meter is the breadth of this particular portion. So second one you will do with yourself, students. Now see this third one, and third one is very important, students, and you always remember the formula. This you can use that basic formula also to find it, but in that there is a lot of exchange of that terms from left to right. So you can use the direct formula perimeter by 2 minus breadth if you are going to find that the length, and if you are going to find that the breadth, you can use this formula perimeter by 2 minus length, students. Okay. Now question number 4th, third part. The perimeter of a rectangle is 200 centimeter. Its length is 3 times its breadth. Here is one relation is given that its length is 3 times of its breadth. Find the length and breadth. Very easy, students. Okay. So whatever it is given, you can write that. It is a rectangular field or rectangle. Okay. Perimeter is given that. Perimeter is given that 200 centimeter. And one relation is given that according to the question. Here I am going to solve that. Length is 3 times of its breadth. Means that you can suppose the breadth. The breadth of rectangle. A rectangular field is x. We suppose this one x centimeter. 3 times of this breadth. So the length of rectangle is 3 times of x. So you will get this 3 is multiplied by x. You will get this 3x centimeter. So you know that its length and breadth, then it is very easy to find out the value of unknown quantity. Now perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth is equal to, this perimeter is given that 200 centimeters. So is equal to 200 centimeters. Put the value of this length and breadth. Length is equal to 3x and breadth is equal to x is equal to 200. Okay. Now 2, they are like terms, so add it. 3x plus x, you will get this 4x is equal to 200. Now 4 2s are 8x is equal to 200. Now x is equal to 200 by 8. Cancel out this one. 200 is easily cancel out by 8. You will get this 25. 25 8 is 200. You know that. So x is equal to 25 centimeter. This is the value of unknown quantity. X is equal to 25 centimeter students. Okay. Now you can find out the unknown quantities. You have found that the value of x is equal to 25 centimeter. Now, hence length is equal to 3 times of x means that 25. So what you will get is 25 is 75 centimeter and breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is your answer for this case students. Length is equal to 75 centimeter and breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. If you want, you can check this one. 2 is multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 75 plus 25 2 75 and 25. If you add this one, you will get 800 and 100 is multiplied by 2. You will get this 200. If you want, you can check that one your answer is correct or not. So you will get this 200 centimeter is the perimeter, and this is also given. This thing is given in your question. 200 centimeters. Okay. So do this question in your hobby properly students, and if any problem you can ask that also. Okay. Now question number 4. Okay. 4 is over. Now question number 5 students. Okay. A square has a perimeter of 25 centimeter. Find the length of its side. Perimeter is given that. To find that the length of a square. Okay. So you know that the length of a square or side of a square is equal to perimeter by 4 students. So this perimeter you will divide by 4. You will get that the side of a square or length of a square. Okay. Because all sides of a square are equal. Okay. So see this question number 5th one also. That the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 25 centimeter. So find the side of a square. Our aim is to find this one. Okay. We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. So side is equal to side of a square. Side of a square is equal to perimeter of a square, or you can write here, no problem. Perimeter of a square upon 4. Perimeter is 24 and divide by 4. What you will get is 6 centimeter is the side of a square. Hence side of a square is equal to 6 centimeter. Side of a square is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. So this is your question number 5th one. If your perimeter of a square is given, then how you will find the side of a square? Divide this perimeter by 4. You can easily easily get your answer. Now question number 6. A rectangular field is 42 meter long, 38 meter wide. If Raman runs around the field twice, find the distance he covers. So this question is interesting but very easy. He runs twice the field. If he runs, he covers the boundary. Okay. So boundary means the perimeter. So first you find the perimeter, and in that perimeter you will multiply by 2. Then you will get the total distance covered by Raman. Okay. So easy. But here I am going to solve this one. See this question number 6, students. Okay. For rectangular field, given that for rectangular field, question number 6. Okay, for rectangular field, given that for rectangular field, length is equal to 42 meter, and breadth is equal to 38 meter. Okay, so this is the length and breadth is given. Raman's run around this length is equal to 42 and breadth is equal to 38. If Raman start from this point A and B, C, D. So if he cover this distance twice, so how much distance he will cover? So first means that in one round, first our aim is to find that one round means that perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to 2 multiply by bracket 10 plus breadth. 2 into 42 plus 38 is equal to 2 into 160 meter. Okay, 160 meter is the one times cover one time, whatever the distance he cover in one time, that is 160 meter, but he runs twice the same field. Okay, so total distance covered by Raman. Okay, now total distance covered by Raman is equal to twice the perimeter of field is equal to twice means 2 times, and perimeter of a field is 160. If you multiply this one, you will get this 320 meter. So he will cover 320 meter. The total distance covered by Raman is equal to 320 meter. Okay, students. So this distance in one time he will cover 160. Again 160. So he will cover 320 meter distance. Okay. Now question number 7. After that I am going to solve this question number 7, students. Okay. See this question number 7. Nupur runs around a rectangular field of length 30 meter and breadth is equal to 22 meter. Krishna covers a square field of a side 25 meter. Who covers a great distance? Good question. See this one, question number 7 is okay. For Nupur. Nupur covers the distance according to this rectangular field. Rectangular field, okay? Its length is given that length is equal to 30 meter and breadth is equal to 22 meter. 22 meter. So this distance, this is the region of Nupur, okay? And this one is the region for, this is for Krishna. This is for Krishna, and it is square field. Square field, okay? Square field. So this field is a rectangular. So what the distance covered by Nupur? It is a perimeter of the field. Distance covered by Nupur. Nupur is equal to perimeter is equal to perimeter of a rectangular field. Perimeter of a rectangular field. Perimeter of a rectangular field. Okay, this is a rectangular field. Its length is given that 30 and breadth is equal to 22 meter. Okay. So 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay. So 2 in bracket 30 plus 22. 2 add this one, you will get this 52. Multiply this one. So in this case you will get 104 meter distance covered by Nupur, okay, around this rectangular field. So here we are going to talk about this for a Krishna, okay? Krishna. This distance is calculated for Krishna and for square field, square field. So side of a square is given that side is given that 25 meter. So distance covered by Krishna is equal to distance covered by Krishna is equal to students perimeter of a square field is equal to 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side. 4 into 25. What you will get is 100 meter. So this is the distance covered by Krishna, that is 100 meter, and distance covered by Nupur. Distance covered by Nupur and distance covered by Krishna. Nupur cover 104 meter distance and Krishna covers 100 meter. So by seeing you can tell that which one is the greater, that is Nupur cover great distance than Krishna, okay? So who covers a great distance? So by comparison, so 104 is great, 104 meter is greater than 100 meter. Hence Nupur covers great. Nupur covers a greater distance. Nupur covers a greater distance. Okay. Nupur covers a greater distance. Okay, students. So this is the answer for this case. Both the cases you will find that the perimeter, and then you will compare that whose distance is greater. In this case, Nupur is greater than Krishna's distance. So this is the answer for question number 7. Now question number 8 is students. Find the cost of fencing a square field of a side 25 meter at the rate of 40 rupees per meter. Okay, students, and I hope you have completed this. So see this question number 8. Square field for square field side is given at 35 meter. Okay, so the perimeter, if your cost is given per meter, means that you surely find out the perimeter. Okay, perimeter, it means it is talking about the length. Perimeter is a kind of a length, which is perimeter of a square field is equal to 4 multiplied by side. 4 into 35, 140 meter. 140 meter. This is the perimeter of a square field. So in that, suppose this is your square field. Okay. This is your square field of 35 meter long. Okay. So fencing is that cover this boundary of this square field. It is a cost of this cost is given at 40 rupees per meter. Means that 1 meter cost is 40 rupees. We have a total length of this square field is 140 meter. So what is the total cost of a fencing? Okay. So after that I'm going to read here. Okay. Total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. Fencing the square field. Fencing the square field is equal to total cost of fencing. The square field is equal to 140 is multiplied by 40 rupees, because 1 meter cost is 40 rupees. So we have a 140 meter. So 140 is multiplied by 40, then 206 rupees 5,600. This is the total cost to cover this square field of all around. Okay, so this is a 5,600 is the total cost of fencing this square field. Okay, students. So students, try to solve that example also of this exercise, students. And with that, I have completed this exercise. In next exercise, that is based on an area, students, and it is very interesting and important for you. So in that, students, there is a lot of examples is given. So you can try that to solve this example. Okay, because this exercise is very lengthy. There is 18 questions, and in each question there is a some parts also given that. So please try to solve these examples to make your concept in that. Okay, so in next day we are talking about this exercise first B. Okay, students, till that, thank you, and I hope you will be healthy and safe in your home. Okay, thank you, students.